Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off the status light on the Xiaomi Smart Camera C201. So if you want to turn off this status light right here, so it doesn't turn on, for example, in the night, and doesn't, bright up the room or anything, and the first thing that we're going to do is open up our Xiaomi Home app and make sure that we've connected our camera to the app. So once that's done, we're going to go to the Xiaomi Home tab, tap on our camera, and then tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on camera settings and disable the status light. So click this toggle and the status light is going to be disabled. So as you can see, the light on the top isn't on, but if we click on it again, it's going to turn on. So once it's turned off, well, pretty much that's all that needs to be done. So you can exit out and your options will be saved. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.